A safety audit. Safety audit is the safety audit is the process that identify the unsafe condition and unsafe act, plan and recommended a safety improvement, and it's evaluates the unsafe condition noticeable to the naked eye during the walk through the plant, like the storage area, civil wall, machinery. Confirm a detailed study and review of the plant design and the plant operation. For example, the safety audit is used for the purpose to identify the loophole on the workplace and take a corrective action. To ensure that hazard is identified, evaluate, and also to ensure the comply is taken, and for the future the improvement plan or the improvement action has taken. So the safety audit is used to provide a safer and secure place for the workers and for the organization employees.